Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn your Fiverr account into a seller's account. If you have a simple account, you can, and you want to become a seller, all you have to do is basically just click on your profiles icon right here, and here you can see a become a seller option. So you just click on that. And this page loaded, so you're gonna click on become a seller once again, and here you can start by updating information of your store or gig. So basically you just click on continue, and after that what you do here is basically fill in personal information, professional information, some linked accounts, and account security. And if you don't know how to set up this account, it's pretty simple, so I'm not going to show that. You just basically fill the necessary information, so like full name, profile picture, description, languages. Then you're gonna continue, and there's a professional information like what's your website and so on. So it's really simple, and after that you just click on become a seller, and that's it. That's how you turn your Fiverr account into a seller's account. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and take care. Bye.